Hi guys, Formaldehyde is here. Still awake because I'm so like was checking what's happening outside, and it's blowing snow. It started actually around 8 o'clock, and right now it's 12 midnight. And look at that, how heavy it is. And I don't know how many centimeter already. It looks like 10 to 20 centimeter already. If you could check those on that side. And yeah, and it's already spring. It's almost summer. And Elsa is crazy. Look at the snow. Look at our tent. It's goosed because of the the snow at the top on it. And yeah, it's all over white. It's already 12:30, I think. And it's not that cold. It's not that windy actually, so that's why. It's Christmas again. White Christmas. So yeah, if you love snow, enjoy. If I could send this snow to the area that's really hot as at the moment, um, be my guest to pack this all and share it with you guys. And yeah, just enjoy. If you love it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. For now, I'm doing voiceover. Oh, what's gonna be happening tomorrow? Hope this snow gonna be vanished right away, but I don't think so. It's gonna be again slushy, and oh yeah, and now it start to wind. A bit windy now. I can feel it. Look at they're swaying. Oh, sorry about that. Doesn't want to. Alright guys. If you love snow, enjoy. If you're not, just click like and subscribe. Thank you guys. I will just leave it a little bit, and I just posted it that way. Look at the tent. Because it's so heavy. We'll just focus on the tent. Yeah. Alright guys. Enjoy. And hope you like it. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell and share and comment down below any of your thoughts of what am I doing. I'll just make this 8 minutes. And yeah. Let's explore into the other side. What does it like? Oh. It's really white. That's our neighbor's backyard. Filming this thing is crazy at night. But it's white. Look at that. I'll show you what time is it. Oh, it's 1:47 already. Look at that. It's 1:47 in the morning. I thought it's 12 midnight. Wow. And look at to the tent. Let's check again to the other side. What's happening? It's purely white. Oh. I'm going to upload it right away. Look at that. Welcome to Calgary, Alberta, Canada. And it's going to be overnight. Poor tent. Look at that. It's already the heavy of the snow on the top of it. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.